Parrots, often called lovebirds, are fascinating little creatures found in pairs. With 9 species showcasing vibrant colors, these chunky birds typically measure just 4 to 6 inches long. Their striking red bills and prominent eye rings make them truly eye-catching. Lovebirds are known for their affectionate nature, which is why they're such popular pets. They mature around 10 months and begin courtship, forming lifelong bonds that can last 5 to 15 years. If one mate dies or gets separated, the other can show signs of depression. Even lovebirds kept alone can feel lonely, displaying erratic behavior. Their need for companionship is as strong as their vibrant colors.